prestigious firm Debenham and Gould was world-renowned for its photographs of the era's great and good. King Edward and the Prime Minister, William Gladstone, both had their portraits taken by the owners. In the late 19th century, they set up shop in the chic seaside resort of Bournemouth and employed Charles.
If you're going to work for anybody, you would want to work for them.
He was headhunted by the best people.
In the country.
He was at the top of his game.
He was, and so much so, that's the reason why we are here.
Oh, really?
Because one of the photographs that your great-grandfather took is held in this archive.
Wow.
Would you like to see it?
I would. Oh, it's in a box and everything. Wow.
So, here is the box.
Do you want to do the washing up?
Absolutely do. Sorry, gloves for you.
Who is it? Is it? He's religious.
This isn't just in the archive. This is in their main collection.
And they didn't take any old snap, did they?
No.
Charles's photo of this bishop is not only a fine example of portrait photography, it's the only Debenham and Gould photograph held in the main collection of the National Portrait Gallery.
Look at his eyes. Wow. It's very mesmerising, really.
Mm.
Well, it's very nice to achieve what you set out to achieve, isn't it? If you're going to be a photographer, then that's the place to do it.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to just put this picture to one side for the moment, because the story's just not quite finished yet.
Oh. What did he go on to after that?
So there's somebody else that we know visited the studio and that we know he took a picture of.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Oh, my word. Was that so that was his...
Oh, it's Oscar Wilde. Did he take that picture?
He did.
No. How extraordinary.
Obviously, it was taken in his studio when he was working, and he was the head photographer.
Imagine the banter they must have had. What's the modern day equivalent? You know, it's like Elizabeth Taylor coming into you.
That's hardly modern day, Julian.
Can you imagine? Well, that's amazing, amazing thing to find out. There he was, providing a service for Oscar Wilde in an above-board manner.
Oh, I think that's incredible, Julian.
Yeah, thank you. Beat that.